Hi guys, first of all, how are you? Today we want to take a look at a fascinating phenomenon in the digital world, AI-powered Instagram videos. Check out this Instagram page. It has millions of followers, and its engaging AI-generated videos receive countless views. It is unbelievable how fast this Instagram is growing with more than 1,600 million followers. Can you guess how many hits each of these circles has? Yes, the number of views is infinitely high, and these rings are very simply made. For example, dance videos. So how can you be interested in this type of content? Because these types of videos will quickly go viral with the use of artificial intelligence, and you can earn millions in this way. And you can also upload to TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, and earn money by making these types of videos. You can visit today's videos right now and see how this technology is being used. That's what I'm about to tell you, so make sure you watch the video till the end and be prepared. Let's get started and create video with the help of artificial intelligence. Ready? Let's go! Now enter the Leonardo AI site. A new page will open in front of you where you need to create your account. Creating an account here is very simple. At first, you will see an option to continue. Click on it, and your account will be created. Enter the required information such as your name and email. After entering the information, the next page will open and your name will be displayed. There is an option to log in which you need to click. You can choose any user ID you like. After that, you can choose other settings like your interests and artistic fields. Follow these steps and click OK, then choose someone here. By clicking on it, your account will be created. After creating an account, accept the policies and terms. Now your account is created and you will see an option to create an image. Click Image Creation to create the image. Clicking on it will open a new page where you have to select Upgrade option. Click on it and you will see your image. If you see the Upgrade option, click on it. I leave the prompt of the photo that I want to produce as the description of the video. Click Create if you want. If you do this, 4 images will be created. Image generation has started. If something goes wrong, you need to go to Settings. Click OK and set the image dimensions. If you see the ratio option, click it. Adjust the aspect ratio. For example, if you want the image to be for Instagram Reels, choose a 9:1 ratio. Once selected, click on Generate. The generated image will appear in the aspect ratio you want. Wait a while until the image generation is complete. When the image is generated, click on the 3 dots. You will see the desktop version of the site. If the site looks good, you can turn it off. Activate the desktop version if you need it. Finally, you will see the generated image. You can save the created images. Check their ratio and correct if there is any mistake. Select your favorite images and click on the download option to save them to your device. Now your image is ready and you can download it. Convert images to video using Runway Artificial Intelligence. Well, I'll show you how to use Runway's artificial intelligence to turn your images into engaging videos. The process is simple and fast, and you can easily create creative videos by following the steps below. When you enter the Runway website, you will see different options on the main page. To get started, you need to create an account. If you don't already have an account, click on Sign Up or Register. The registration process is free and only requires entering your basic information such as name, email, and password. After completing the registration, log in to your account. On the home page of the dashboard, you can see various options. To convert image to video, you need to look for the option that allows you to upload images and convert them to video in your dashboard. Go to Image to Video or Text to Video section. Click on this option to enter the page that allows you to upload images. On the image upload page, you will see the drag and drop or upload option. Select the images you want from your device and drag and drop them to this section, or select your images through the upload button. After uploading the images, it may take a few seconds for the images to load completely. After uploading, you can preview your uploaded images. At this stage, you can change the order of the images, or delete the images you don't want. When you are satisfied with your images, click the Generate or Create button. This process may take a few minutes, so be patient. To download the video, click on the 3 dots in the upper corner of the video and select Download. Your video will be downloaded to your device, and you can use it for various purposes such as sharing on social networks or using it in your creative projects. Using Runway's artificial intelligence, you can easily turn your images into attractive and creative videos. This process is fast and user-friendly and does not require special technical knowledge. By following the steps above, you can quickly create creative videos and share them with your friends and family. Using AI tools like Runway empowers everyone to be creative and innovative. enabling you to produce professional, high-quality videos with just a few clicks. Video editing. Complete steps using CapCut app. If you are looking to edit your video professionally and want to get a perfect and attractive result, CapCut is the best tool for you. In this article, we will teach you how to use this powerful program to turn your video into a masterpiece. Open the video editing program first. Open the CapCut app on your device. If you don't have this app yet, you can easily download and install it from app stores like Google Play or App Store. This program is the best choice for editing your videos with its simple user interface and extensive features. After opening the program, click on the New Project option on the main page. This option allows you to start a new editing project. Now it's time to select the video you already saved. To do this, go to your device's gallery and select the video you want to edit. This step is the first step towards creating a professional video. After selecting the video, add it to your project. Now your video is ready to edit and you can apply your desired changes. At this point, your creativity has no limits and you can turn your video into a work of art using CapCut's powerful tools. If your video has a watermark and you want to remove it, go to the Ratio section and select the Original option. Then click on the video and adjust its size to remove the watermark. By zooming in on the video, you can easily remove the watermark and have a clean video. If you want to change the speed of your video, click on the video and go to the Speed section. Here you can slow down or speed up the video. With this, you can create interesting effects such as slow motion or high speed. These effects can make your video more attractive than before. To add music to the video, click on the Music option. In the upper part of the screen, you can choose the song you want from the CapCut music library. Also, you can use popular music to make your video more noticed. Choosing the right music can have a huge impact on the appeal of your video. After making the desired changes, it's time to save your video. Click the Export button to save your video. Here you can set the video quality. If you are satisfied with the default settings, click Export to start the saving process. With this, your video will be ready to share. By following these simple steps, you can edit your video professionally using CapCut. This process includes removing the watermark, adjusting the video speed, adding music, and finally saving the video. We hope this guide was useful for you and you can create creative videos. If you like the video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel. Until the next video.